I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I decided that I wanted to do a nice long, really pink girly set, but with the character Marie from Aristocats or Aristocats I think it is. God, got that totally wrong there, but you guys know what I mean. So I'm going in first off with this cute baby pink colour, which is from Tone's Acrylic products from their pastel range. I have the full collection, so any pastels that I usually use are from the pastel collection from Tone's products. I'll have it linked down below because I also have a 15% coupon code that you guys can use as well. So I'm using the number 10 aqua brush, which I am loving, and it is absolutely bomb. So next I'm coming in with Sandcastles, I think it is, which is from GLAM and GLITZ, and it's like this nude shimmery colour, and I'm just blending that in to make a nice ombre. Once I've done that, I'm going to come in with mermaid shards over the top and just apply those at an angle to give the nail kind of like a nice sparkly feminine kind of look. Moving on to the next nail, and this one is just going to be a full nail of that Sandcastles colour because I'm going to be coming in later on in the video and painting the Marie character from the Aristocats. So moving on to the middle finger, and I'm going to go ahead and create a nice elongated smile line using that Sandcastles colour. For some reason I decided before I actually started this set that this would be like kind of like a cute colour to do this look with, but once I'd finished I really wasn't feeling it and I probably should have just used a nice plain cover pink, but oh well. Once I've finished with my first bead, patting it into place and refining that smile line, I'm coming in with the cuticle bead, making sure to press it into place flush around the cuticle area but not touching any skin or side walls, and then once I'm happy with the placement you blend it down nicely. And guys, I have been loving the GLAM and GLITZ. I've got the right ratio, as you can see. Product control is on freaking point. Like once you get used to using it, literally life. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using the GLAM and GLITZ acrylics a lot more as well because I bought 26 colours. I will be doing that swatch video that I mentioned. I just haven't got around to it just yet because let's be honest, swatches ain't all that great. I mean they are, but they're not that great really. Anyway, moving on to the pinky nail, I'm coming back in with that pastel pink from Tone's Acrylic products, and as you see the colour did marble. You've got the pale and the bright pink and like not quite consistent. Bit annoying. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you do plan on purchasing or looking at getting some of those, they do marble slightly on certain colours. I'm doing another ombre, so I'm adding the Sandcastles to the cuticle and blending that down into the pink. And then I'll go ahead and add some of the mermaid shards as well, which are from Glitter Planet, which is my store. If you do want to shop there, you can use my code NINJA10 for 10% off your entire order, and I'll have the link down below for you guys so you can check it out. Moving on to the thumbnail, I'm going to do an entire nail of the Sandcastles colour, and then I'm sure I come in a little later in the video and add some of the unicorn film pieces. Now that my smile line has set and I have gone ahead and filed it to refine and make sure that everything's nice and crisp, I'm coming in with white, and this is the white from my own system, Nailmate, and it's absolutely lovely. I absolutely adore working with it. Usually whites I'm not a huge fan of, but this I like, obviously, since it's mine. But yeah, I'm just filling in that area, making sure to go above and over the top of that smile line, because when I come in to file and refine, we will reveal a nice crisp line. So next I'm coming in with some unicorn film. Now on glitterplanetuk.com we do have 4 options for the unicorn film. We've got the cool, the warm, and then 2 multi-mixes. Pixie's just playing in a bedroom. Just mind that if you heard it. I'm not sure if you could hear it, but I definitely did. I'm just using the Outer Space Stoic scissors to cut that up into nice strips that will be roughly the size and length of the nail. And then I'm just going to place them on there using some clear acrylic, really wet, painting it on the nail, not really in any particular order, just as long as you're not building up any thickness. And then just with your wet brush, a little bit of monomot that already is on there, you want to pick up the pieces and lay them on the nail, making sure to pat them down flat so that they're not sticking up. So now I've finished applying the unicorn film, I'm coming in with some clear acrylic and I'm going to encapsulate the entire set, file and buff and everything like that, and then I'll be right back with you guys. The EFILE bit that I'm using is from Glitter Planet. It's the smooth top medium, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Okay, so now I've refined and buffed. I did go ahead. Guys, just give me a second. So I've gone ahead and filed and buffed the nails, and I'm coming in with the gel paint design. I did go ahead and pencil like the outline on already and filled it in white, and now I'm just adding all the details and going through that process. I'm not used to drawing characters or even using gel paints. This is like my first real time, so I didn't think I did a bad job, but it could totally have been better. So I am going to focus on improving those skills this year. That's probably going to be my goal, to get better at character painting and gel painting, adding depth and shading and everything like that. But I do think it turned out pretty alright. So next I'm coming in and I'm adding top coat. This is just a no wipe top coat. I'll cure in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds in an LED lamp, and then I'll be back to add the 3D details. So I'm using the number 5 Nailmate 3D brush. I absolutely love this for doing any kind of bows and flowers and just things that are a little bit larger. I'm just adding a nice pink bow to the collar of the cat, and then some white bows and some ribbon detail as well. So I'll just go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. Okay guys, so now I've finished the 3D details. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I loved creating this set for you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it as well, and please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.